Assalamu alaikum, this is Ali Jafar and you're watching Charismatic Pakistan. The rapidly emerging climatic changes are one of the biggest threats to the sustainability of life on earth. In the past 20 years, Pakistan has been ranked in the top 10 countries which are most affected by climate change. Prime Minister Imran Khan has taken major steps to tackle climate change and also urged the international community to join hands to fight climate change and environmental pollution. Ministry of Climate Change has taken following major initiatives. Pakistan joined the international community in celebrating the World Environment Day 2021 as its global host on 5th of June 2021. For the last 4 decades, the world has observing this day as the largest global platform for raising public awareness about the pressing environmental challenges. The government has launched the Ecosystem Restoration Initiatives for facilitating the transition towards environmentally resilient Pakistan through ecologically targeted initiatives. Pakistan's delegation at COP25 secured 6 positions for various committees under the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, showing trust on Pakistan's commitment to climate negotiations. National Committee on Establishment of Carbon Market has been established. In order to mitigate the carbon emission impacts of vehicle on the environment and its associated costs, the government of Pakistan has approved its National Electric Vehicle Policy targeting a 30% shift to electric by 2030. A Clean Green Cities Index has been initiated in 20 cities to trigger a shift toward improved waste management and sanitation. Pakistan has decided to get out of its plastic addiction by banning the single-use plastic. Pakistan's second national communication has been developed and submitted to United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change Secretariat. United Nations Framework Convention of Climate Change Secretariat is supporting Ministry of Climate and Change in preparing first biennial update report. Establishment of Water, Sanitation and Hygiene Unit in collaboration with the key stakeholders and relevant provincial departments related to safe water and sanitation services. The Prime Minister of Pakistan, with a vision to drive a nationwide movement by the people for the clean and green environment for all the citizens of the country, has launched the Clean Green Pakistan movement. 10 billion tree tsunami program is to combat the adverse effects of global warming. This is an umbrella project covering all the provinces. An amount of rupees 7.5 billion was allocated for 10 billion tree tsunami program in Public Sector Development Program 2019 to 2020, out of which 6 billion rupees has been released to provinces and territories. In order to improve tree cover in the country, seasonal tree plantation campaigns are held each year. The government departments, private sector organizations, defense organizations and NGOs are involved in planting activities. Prime Minister launched Clean Green Pakistan Index, which will be used for cities ranking against the performance indicators set for each component, including safe drinking water, solid waste management, liquid waste management, plantation and total sanitation. The purpose of CGPI is to rank city based on greenery and cleanliness. The Ministry of Climate Change has also launched a citizens engagement program titled as Clean Green Champions under the Clean Green Pakistan movement. Prime Minister Imran Khan launched the Billion Tree Honey initiative to increase the production of honey through the plantation of trees. Billion Tree Honey program will help enhance the country's potential to produce 70,000 metric tons of honey in a year. Green bonds raise funds for new and existing projects which deliver environmental benefits and a more sustainable economy. Addressing the inaugural ceremony of Clash Park near Kamalpur Interchange, Sargodha Road, Faisalabad, State Minister for Climate Change Zartaj Gul said that 23 national parks has been established in country in addition to planting 1 billion trees to overcome climate change. She further added that Prime Minister Imran Khan put the country on the right track of progress and prosperity, and the people would soon reap the fruits of national development. We should plant at least 1 tree and keep our environment neat and clean. Stay blessed. Pakistan Zindabad.